This series on the Garden Gurus, we're opening up the gardener's toolbox, filled with solutions and ideas to solve your garden problems. With the warmer weather arriving, I've just started to notice a little bit of an aphid problem starting up here on this strawberry in this bathtub planter Nigel created for us last season. Unfortunately for these guys, I'm hungrier and they aren't paying me a cent. So we're gonna have to kick them out of this veggie buffet with my favorite bee-friendly product, OCP Eco Oil. It's important to get onto these freeloaders as soon as possible, as just one aphid can produce up to 80 offspring in just 1 week. And it doesn't take long for these freeloaders to grow wings and start taste testing the rest of your garden. Application is super easy. Simply shake the ready-to-use spray and then thoroughly apply to the plants, covering the leaves, stems, and underside of the leaves. And it's a good idea to wear the correct safety gear as listed on the directions. You can also find Eco Oil in a 500ml concentrate. My favorite thing about this organic approved oil is that it's made from botanicals and it has no withholding period. This means I can spray my strawberries today and enjoy them for dessert tonight.